Hello van fans, welcome to DAC Vans, and today we have another rare beast for you. 2024 registered Ford Transit L3H3 panel van. These are the 170 PS, the higher horsepower with the towing axle, giving a 3.5 ton towing capability and a 7 ton gross train weight. These are a leader specification, but they have got air conditioning, and we've converted them to have the utility conversion in the back. So we have grey polycarbonate lining in the rear of the vehicle, a grey hex floor, some metal racking securely fixed in the rear of the vehicle. We also have the rear 3/4 Chapter 8 graphics to allow you to apply your own sign writing in the middle. The vehicle comes with a factory Ford TowBar, and then we've added the Rhino tow step just to aid access into the vehicle. Delivery mileage, not been used. Again, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox. We have a number of these vehicles available from stock now. We can arrange finance, we can arrange nationwide delivery. Please feel free to get in touch to discuss your requirements.